Alright guys, so we moved to the oil change. We gotta take off the first two panels. I guess they're not called panels, they're the underbody protection. The skid plate that protects the oil pan, and those things gotta come down. Then you get access to the oil filter, which is right underneath there. It stays like that. So after you take the bolts off, it just comes, the front portion comes down. And then you get access to the Fumoto valve. Voila! That's what it looks like. So there's a piece of plastic, just take the plastic off.
Remove that one?
Take that piece of plastic, yeah, and then you just flip the valve. There you go. Man, that's how easy the Fumoto valve works. Easy, huh?
Yeah.
That's the Fumoto valve at work, draining the oil. That little valve to the left that you see right there, that's what holds it. You know, you switch that down and lets all the oil out. Pretty simple. In this case, this particular car, obviously it's well protected, so I don't have any fear of anything coming off the road and knocking that valve off. Alright, we're gonna let it drain, then we'll add the new oil and the new filter, and we're ready to go. The oil canister is right underneath the front skid plate. So I take that off. There we go. Let it drain, and then we change the oil filter inside the canister. Guys, I guess if there was one con to the Fumoto valve, is that the oil does drain a little bit slower than your normal if you had a bolt in there, because obviously the hole's going to be a little bit bigger. So, you know, it's not such a bad thing for the ease of access and operation. Alright, after the oil is done draining, just flip the switch back, put the little retaining pin in, or the plastic retaining pin. Clean it a little bit, obviously, because that's what good mechanics do. Stick that pin back in place. That's an extra level of safety with the see that little pin right there? Just keeps that little lever right in place so it doesn't accidentally come down. And that's it. Now we just do the filter. Cartridge is right in the middle of the engine block. You just take that off and it'll drain some oil, so you gotta have the oil pan underneath it for the oil that's left over inside of it. And then we'll just get it out, clean it, put the new valve seals on and the new filter. There you go, it's off. And here's a new filter. Good old brake fluid, brake cleaner. That thing's gotta have 1,000 uses. There's the cartridge. seal comes off. And all of these filters come with a new seal. So you just got to make sure you get that off of there and get the new one on there. And the capacity for this particular model, the GX, is 8.2 quarts of oil. Like we said, it uses full synthetic oil. 0 weight 20. Goes right into the groove. Make sure you don't put it on the thread. Make sure it's always on the groove. There's a specific groove for it. And then the cartridge goes right on top. Easy enough. Then you press it down and then we go right back in there. There we go. And that goes right back into its little snuggy place right in there. After a nice little cleaning. Alright, that's it. Then we get the oil. Give you guys a picture of the oil. It's Advanced Technology Mobil 1, 0 weight 20, full synthetic. 8.2 quarts going to this GX460. Alright, so now we put the oil in. This particular model, 2017 GX460 Lexus, takes 8.2 quarts, like I said before, of the 0 weight 20 full synthetic oil. So make sure you put that that amount in. Again, I purchased this off of Amazon. The oil, pretty good cost. Make sure you put the right amount in and then start it, and check the dipstick to make sure you got the right amount of oil in there. It's very important. But that's it. Oil change is being done, finished right now. The brakes and rotors are done. Tires have been rotated. And it's all going to be much better now. Hopefully we don't have any of that shaking at speed. We did all this work. This is Salas's mobile mechanic. This is what he started with, but now he owns and operates Kennedy's Automotive, and that is at 205 South Salina Street. So come on by, say hi, get your car worked on. These guys are good.